Hi, I'm Michelle with Lemiga Events. Today we're here in Mobile, Alabama, celebrating a very special birthday. At Lemiga Events, it truly is our deepest desire to help our clients celebrate life with events that reflect their style, personality, and create experiences that they will always cherish. I so enjoyed working with the Ball family for their daughter's wedding a few years ago, so I was so honored when they reached out to me to plan a birthday celebration for Mrs. Ball that she would never forget. The overall design idea was to create this 70s glam luxe dinner party with dynamic entertainment and memorable details to honor Mrs. Ball. After the venue was confirmed, my process starts with the inspiration board. I want to pull together the color scheme, the look, the feel, the vibe that we're going for the overall event design, and send that to my client so they have a visual to get where my vision is going and to make sure we're all on the same page. Working with Lisa at Papered Wonders, she always does such a wonderful job with branding our events. And for this party, we started with this beautiful monogram that incorporated Guest of Honor's initials C and B into one logo mark. And it has that font hint of the 70s, but still very glamorous and modern. Our floral designer, Akeem Clayton, did such a fabulous job incorporating the blush, the whites, and the flowers, and using black containers, gold containers. It just made the room smell wonderful and just magical with all of the gorgeous flower details. You can't have a good disco party without a great dance floor, and we worked with laced vinyl to really transform the venue stage. We put up a black and gold wall backdrop. We wrapped the stage in black and gold vinyl, and then we wrapped the dance floor in gold and black vinyl. So it really transformed the look of the stage. Bars are always important to any great party, so we created this beautiful gold-covered margarita bar with a backlit monogram hanging above it, and did 3 different flavors of Mrs. Ball's favorite types of margaritas. I love a great lounge, and I love to display desserts in a unique and different way. So we created a really fun white and gold lounge with gold furniture, a white tufted banquette with really dramatic floral, and then our custom decor vendor, Host and Toast, really went above and beyond in this unique 11-foot wide dessert wall that we were able to display the cake in, display all the beautiful assorted desserts. This whole event, my amazing vendor team, it just truly was such an amazing production. I am so honored that the Ball family trusted me with such an important occasion. It never is wasted on me that, there's always different options to go. But I truly loved creating this event for them, and I hope and I know that they appreciated all the details that came together, all the hard work that went into it, and it was all worth it in the end to see the smile on her face, the love in the room, the appreciation that all the guests showed us, and this is why I do what I do.